All right, let's talk about the fastest way to turn in SkyQuest, eh? So one thing is inventory bag toggle. I have mine set to Shift B. That opens my bags like this. Very nice and fast. I'm in the SkyQuest turn-in room. It's island, whatever it is, 1.5 or maybe just the quest room. I can't remember. No, 1.5 is DeJorn, but yeah. So you open this little box here. So everybody's standing around it. Open your Dragon Horde, okay? Then hit Find Item. Okay, you'll notice this flickers. I think this is because it's client side. There's some stuff going on. Okay, next thing is companion. So I'm the author of this. That's why you're seeing it here. But this is useful if you don't want to keep track of Sky quests by hand. It tells you all the Sky quests and how many items you're missing based on your log, or your log plus your inventory export. If you have your log, I highly recommend it because it's easier to figure out. But there you go. So ready is a tab that shows you just the stuff that's ready to turn in, who they're ready to turn in, what it is. So like this is a Spyrock beak ear cuff, what the items are. Okay, I'm going to move this off screen, but I'm primarily looking for what the items are. So Spyrock Elder Totem, Windroom Beza. Okay, so now that I have this thing open, and I don't have this thing open anymore, let's get myself. Man, it is so hard to get this open sometimes. The click through is really annoying. So Dragon Horde open, find item, open your bags, Spyrock Elder Totem, and Windrew's Beza is already set up for me. So I'm going to go to the next one, which was Feathered Cape and Asia. I'm going to go to the next one, have my currency tab open. The next thing I need to turn in is, I probably don't have two of these Feathered Capes, but let's take a look. I don't. So that I'm just going to turn in one, not the other. So sometimes you have an overlapped item inside of. That's what this means inside of companion. And if you look, it says what it overlaps with. I can physically just see feathered cape, right? Look at this item. It's pretty shit. This is also pretty shit, but it has a clicky effect, which is kind of cool. So, and it's a berserker thing. So I will turn this one in. Okay. So those two are set up. Is this Asia? It is. So the next one I want is a Drakehide Amis or Amis. Some Lays Clicky for mages. Large Diamond, Windroom, Dina. Okay. So large diamond. Large diamond. Here it is. I have one of them. Grab item. Set it here. I do my currency on one side and my other thing on the other. And then Dina. This is alphabetical, so that helps. Maybe it is. Yes, it is. Okay, you can control click on the currency, so it's really fast to start to set this up. Next thing I want is Tear of Quellius. Grab item. Boom. Tear of Quellius is Windrune Lena. Boom. Pulsating Ruby, Azia. So pulsating. The nice thing about this, by the way, is it searches in all your different things, right? So your bank slots, I'm sort of out of room, 150 out of 150, so I have stuff mixed in my bank, which is a bummer. Pulsating Reba and Azia. So control click here. Okay, I'm ready to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turn-ins, right? So then I go from the top, I open my bags again, and I look at the turn-in guy on Companion, Animus Cratho, okay? And I just go around. Here he happens to be, so it's a little bit easier. Boom, boom. This is from Companion, shows you that you just did that turn-in, okay? Then that thing disappears off your screen. Next guy I have is Stragon. I happen to know he's right here. Boom, boom, done. Okay, now I have Magus Phrynon, and notice that the order stays the same in Companion. Here's Magus. Okay, test of summoning done. Now I have Howlin for the Golden Stash of Tranquility. Guys, right here. By the way, it's not in any specific order. I usually have to go in a big fucking circle in the room, so getting lucky being able to turn these in so quickly. Golden Stash of Tranquility. Necromancer, Test of Heart, Pulsating Ruby. So that is Dracus. Dracus, I think, is over here. Nope, 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 nope. Did I already pass him? I did. No, he's right here. He's right next to Helen. Okay. La 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 la. turn it in. Okay, now ready tab's empty. Okay, and the other thing about it is we can kind of look at our classes list. Oh shit, I unlocked. Oh no, I did this. I did this yesterday. I was like, I unlocked Shaman. That's so great of me. I used my token to do that. So these just show you how many classes are left on the class unlock token. This tab shows you what you don't need anymore. This tab shows you what your targets are in order. So Island 2 through Island 1,000,000. Some of these things is just from the wiki. They don't have good data. Like Noble Disjourn's on Island 1.5. This is known to me anyway, but yeah. And then there is some weird stuff, like a couple of these things. Bixie Stinger, I think, is off the Bixies, but yeah, it's a little hard to tell. I'm not sure if Companion tracks that particular quest correctly because I think someone just reported there's like a special item for that. Anyway, all that to say, it happens to be very quick to start to manage your Sky Quest this way. I've done at least quite a few turn-ins like this. Feels very nice. I don't know if there's a way to see just the ones I've finished, but you can kind of see now. So 5 assists, like if you add all these numbers up, that's how many Sky Quests I've done. So it's a nice way you can, from a completionist perspective, do that, and then you can obviously you got to sort your own fucking stuff on your own time. But there you go. All right, bye bye.